Commonly known as pigeon orchid, this flower is a truly beautiful sight. It can be found in Singapore adorning branches of trees along roadsides, gardens, and parks. The scent of this orchid, however, only lasts a day, which makes it an extremely difficult fragrance oil to extract. This orchid also has therapeutic properties and can be used as an anti-aging agent in skincare due to the abundance of antioxidants in it. Medicinally, this orchid can be used to treat fevers, coughs, weak kidneys, and many more diseases. In traditional Chinese medicines, it is also used as cardiac stimulant, improving blood circulation, and even extending to treating coma patients caused by trauma. The use of neroli and cherry blossom, amongst other ingredients, are used to heighten the sweet, musky notes in floral too. Perfect for hot weather, neroli releases a fresh, zesty scent. It is one of the most widely used floral oils in perfumery and is just as popular as an essential oil in beauty products and aromatherapy. It's used to help to reduce stress and anxiety, and even to lower high blood pressure. The composition also contains notes of cherry blossom, highly valued for its rich antioxidant levels and soothing properties. Cherry blossom contains many essential fatty acids, which help to repair natural barriers to promote smooth, supple skin. Many used it for its whitening properties too. Are you sweet on the surface but a rebel at heart? Feminine but with plenty of edge, this could be the scent for you.